Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a sample video recorded on the Honor 9X Lite. I've set the settings to be at the maximum they can be. In this case it's recording at 1080, so full high definition, at 60 frames per second. So I've deliberately chosen this place because it's got a bit of challenge. There's a bright sky which is blowing out a bit of the picture, but I can tap on the sign to welcome to St. Margaret's Park and get a bit of better focus on what's in the foreground. Obviously the sky blows out, but if I tap on the tennis players in the distance, you'll see that the sky gets a bit better. You can see a bit of the overhead cloud in this late July afternoon here in Edinburgh. So let's take a walk and see how the stabilization works on the Honor 9X Lite. Now this is a device we've done many videos of so far on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and we'll have a full review coming up in the coming weeks. But for now you can see stabilization is not bad. And it's, I have to say, for a device which is under £180 in price, you're getting a lot of value. And the fact that it records 1080 at 60 frames per second is more than most people need for their Facebook or Instagram posts. Now let's go and focus on some of the flowers and see what close-ups are like. Obviously the Honor 9X has a 48 megapixel sensor. Tap to focus definitely works here, and there's a lot of natural bokeh on that autofocus sensor. As you can see, the flowers in the distance are out of focus at the moment. I'm going to tap on the ones over there, and so it does perform very, very well in that sense. Let's have a look at this wasp in a close-up. So bear in mind, this is a £180 smartphone from Honor with Google Play services, which is performing quite well in terms of video, especially for close-ups. So with this sort of thing, think what you can do with regards to your say Instagram videos or so forth. Now in the stills you also have a flower mode which works well. We put the camera for stills through its paces and it performed very well. And so overall we hope you've enjoyed this Honor 9X Lite camera sample in 1080 at 60 frames per second. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And we will be back soon with more videos, both of the Honor 9X Lite and the Honor 20E. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.